Welcome back to our latest video on the Toyota Hilux. Today we're going to be fitting the suspension lift kit while improving the handling. This is the most comprehensive kit SuperPro offer for the Toyota Hilux. The kit includes progressive rate rear leaf springs with extra leaves compared to the OEM, giving the truck a 40 to 50 mm lift with a constant load of 150 kilograms. We complement that with B6 Bilstein dampers. We also supply SuperPro bushings for the rear leaf springs and greasable shackles. We're doing the front suspension first on the Toyota Hilux. And one of the things you notice is the front strut comes pre-built. In most cases, all of our suspension kits comes with the strut pre-built, which makes it an easy install for you. So bolt the old one off, bolt the new one in. Key things with the struts that we supply you, they come with SuperPro top mounts. One of the key components is the polylast material we use in the mounting. That's a rubber polyurethane hybrid, so it gives you the comfort of rubber, but the resilience of the polyurethane. We use King springs, which are a progressive rate, so it gives you that nice comfortable ride while still giving you the lift. That is complemented then by the Bilstein B6 damper, which is matched to the spring to make sure you get the ultimate damping along with the spring. So what makes the rear of the SuperPro handling kit so good? Uprated rear leaf springs, extra leaves in the spring so the vehicle can take weight without adversely affecting the handling, matched with Bilstein B6 dampers, and SuperPro bushings for great longevity of life, and also they're greasable on the vehicle so you can keep them serviced. The standard SuperPro handling kit comes with 150 kilogram weight rear leaf springs. However, if you're towing greater weight, we can specify a more heavier weight spring for you, which will cater from 300 to 500 kilograms. We're now out on the road with the SuperPro handling kit. One of the things I'm amazed about is we've lifted the vehicle by 50 mil, but it's handling better than it did before. Turning into corners is so much more precise. The poise on the road is so much better. It's just not jittering around as it used to. If you're coming from an SUV into one of these pickups, This kit will make your truck feel like your SUV. You won't have to compromise on the ride quality and how it drives down the road. If you're towing or you're using the vehicle for work, this handling kit is not going to affect how you use the vehicle on a daily basis. It's been designed to basically give you that comfort when you've not got weight in the vehicle. But when you've got the weight in the vehicle or you've got a trailer on the back with weight, it's still going to handle the best it ever can be. The nice thing about this kit is if you're looking for comfort, ride, handling or looks, it gives you it all.